Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to redeem a Disney Plus code. I ran into this the other day when I had a Disney Plus code and thought I could just redeem it inside the app. Turns out, the app doesn't actually let you do that. So here's what I ended up doing. I opened a browser instead. Any browser works, and search for Disney Plus Redeem. The official Redeem Your Code page should show up right at the top. Once you open that page, you'll be asked to sign into your Disney Plus account first. After logging in, there's a simple field where you can type or paste your redemption code. I usually paste mine just to avoid typos because one wrong character and the page acts like the code doesn't exist. After confirming it, the code gets applied to your account and the subscription or promotion activates instantly. Honestly, it's pretty quick once you know the trick. Just remember the key detail: Disney Plus codes and redeem through this browser, not inside the app. Saves a lot of confusion. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.